Timor-Leste, East Timor, is one of Australia's closest neighbours. Much of it is mountainous country with poor infrastructure and a lack of basic services. Many homes have no light source after dark. The people in these households depend on polluting kerosene and candles for lighting, which is not only expensive but also bad for their health. In Quelicai, a remote, underdeveloped area of the Up district, there are about 700 households across 4 villages without access to electricity, with no plans for these homes to be connected to the electricity grid. You can be part of lighting up the first 100 homes in Quelicai. The Alternative Technology Association is an Australian not-for-profit organisation that enables, represents and inspires people to live sustainably in their homes and communities. In 2017, the ATA will be focusing on bringing lighting systems to these homes in Quelicai. And here's where you come in. We need your help to raise $18,000 so we can unlock a further $10,000 in matching funds committed by the UK government, and together we can light up Quelicai. With 4 extra hours of light in the evening, the children of Quelicai can study, and the adults can work and do jobs normally left for the next day, while everyone feels safer in their home. Each system comes with a USB charge port, so people can easily charge their mobile phones and stay connected. Nobody has to breathe in the fumes from burning kerosene. Clean, renewable, cost-effective energy, saving money and at the same time reducing harmful emissions and waste. Better for families, better for the environment. Owned by the community, the funds you help us generate will help to support the community to manage the scheme through a village committee, train local solar technicians to maintain those solar systems, and collect money for repairs and spare parts. We work with East Timorese partner organisations, giving us the best local knowledge and expertise, fostering local industry and skills development, providing clean, green electricity now and into the future. With your help, in 2017, we will light up the first 100 homes in one of the most remote regions of East Timor. Donate today and help us light up Quelicai.